What's up guys? According to the popular tipster Roland, the Galaxy Note20 Ultra rumored to be unveiled on August 5 and will feature a 108 megapixel main camera. This isn't the first time we are hearing about the Galaxy Note20 Ultra packing a 108 megapixel camera. But Roland says he's seen hard evidence of the presence of the 108 megapixel camera on the smartphone, and given his track record, the Note20 Ultra will likely support a 108 megapixel sensor. As you can see in this tweet, Roland says Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra Canvas 2 has a 108 megapixel main cam. I know, we know, but I have seen hard evidence now, so consider it confirmed from my side. Alongside the Note20 Ultra, Samsung is also expected to unveil the Note20 in the first week of August, but it's unclear if there's going to be the Plus model because we have seen the same model number SM-N86U being referred to as the Note20 Plus and the Note20 Ultra. Hopefully, we'll soon have more clarity on how many models the Note20 lineup will have. As you know guys, the Galaxy Note20 Duo has already seen its fair share of leaks for the past few months, and we already have a pretty good idea of what they will look like. Now, Ice Universe has shared another case, which reconfirms the design and gives us a few more details about the functional element location. The images shows a case for the still unreleased Galaxy Note20 Plus with 5 holes. This isn't new. However, as we already know that the phone will feature 3 cameras, leaving the other 2 cutouts for the 3D TOF sensor and the LED flash. What's more, a close-up shot of the bottom side of the case reveals 4 holes. Nothing unusual given that there's one for the mic, one for the connector, one for the loudspeaker, and one for the S Pen. The main change over previous Note phones is that the S Pen slot has been moved to the left. This might be either due to the volume rocker and the power button positioning or the internal design of the phone. I have expressed my disappointment with the button positioning and suspected that the S Pen might be the culprit. This might actually turn out to be true. So for the sake of the button placement, the S Pen change is more than welcome. So yeah, that's it for today guys. Now what's your thoughts on this guys? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news, and as always I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.